Hi everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss the benefits of steam inhalation, which is one of the oldest and most practiced home remedy for treating stuffy nose and sinus infections. First, let us understand how steam inhalation works. When you inhale hot and moist vapor from the steam, it opens up your nasal passages. The water vapor dissolves the thick mucus, thereby reducing the inflammation and promoting better circulation in the respiratory tract. It also causes mucosal secretion and opens up airways. This way, it prevents mucous membranes from drying out and initiates discharge of mucus from throat and lungs. Now let us see what are the benefits of steam inhalation. It relieves sinus congestion and headaches. Patients with lung conditions like COPD and asthma may experience worsening of symptoms in dry and cold air. So, inhaling warm and moist air during steam therapy causes mucosal secretions and opens up the airways. So, this reduces inflammation and congestion. Steam therapy prevents mucous membranes from drying and initiates the discharge of mucus from the throat and lungs. This can provide immediate relief and help people breathe easily. Face steaming promotes blood flow and oxygen supply to the skin. The combination of warm steam and increase in perspiration dilates the blood vessels and increases circulation. This gives us natural and healthy glow. Steaming is beneficial for acne-prone skin. The heat loosens dirt, debris, and bacteria from clogged pores. As the pores open up, they are more easily cleaned out. Another important benefit of steaming is that it helps hydrate our skin by increasing oil and sebum production, which naturally moisturizes the face. This naturally occurring oil is produced by our skin sebaceous glands to lubricate the skin and hair. When sebum gets trapped beneath the skin's surface, it creates a breeding ground for bacteria and blackheads. It improves skincare product absorption. The open pores after steaming increases the skin's permeability and provides better absorption of the topical cream and serum more easily. Lastly, it is inexpensive and everyone can afford steam inhalation. In addition to this, it is easily accessible. All you need is some water in a container and a source of heat. Recently, a lot of people have been asking if steam inhalation can kill coronavirus. Unfortunately, the answer is no. It does not kill the virus. But the recent clinical trials have shown that the steam inhalation does help decrease the viral shedding. To decrease the viral shedding, one should take 20 minutes of steam inhalation for 10 days. Share this video with your loved ones and don't forget to subscribe our channel.